Hey there, future creator. Want to start a YouTube channel but hate being on camera? Or maybe editing feels like a total energy drain? Well, what if I told you there's a way to create awesome money-making videos without ever showing your face? That's the power of faceless YouTube channels. And today, I'm going to show you how to build one using AI. With just a few smart tools, you can script, voice, edit, and post your videos, even if you're starting from scratch. No fancy equipment, no camera, no problem. This week on Mr. Kindness Guy, we're breaking down the full starter kit, from idea to upload, step by step. You don't need to be tech savvy, you just need a system. Let's keep going. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to write your video script. Step 2. Grab a voice from 11 Labs, maybe even mine. Step 3. Design your visuals with Canva or grab stock videos. Step 4. Put it all together using CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. In minutes, you'll have a fully edited faceless video ready to upload. So, how does it all work? Let me break it down. Step 1. Script it with AI. Start by typing your video idea into a tool like ChatGPT. You'll get a full script, educational, entertaining, and totally you. Step 2. Bring it to life. Use a voice generator like 11 Labs. Choose a voice that fits your channel's vibe, or even use my voice if you like this on Step 3. Add visuals. Hop into Canva or Pexels to grab footage and animations. No filming needed, just drag, drop, and style it your way. Step 4. Edit and export. Drop everything into a free editor like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve. Add music, captions, transitions, and boom, your faceless video is final step. Upload and grow. Pick a great thumbnail, write a solid title, and hit publish. Your channel is officially in motion. You're now a faceless creator, powered by AI. And this is just the beginning. Want me to show you the full workflow step by step? Watch the full tutorial video right here on the channel, and don't forget to subscribe, because next time we'll go even deeper. Let's build this dream together, one upload at a time. This is just the beginning. We've got a full tutorial series coming up on this, so stay locked in for more. Next time, we will walk you through it. And trust me, you don't want to miss that.